Box cover, welcome to a brand new DuttyBerry Top 10 social media countdown. And by the way, it is my birthday! Woo! Yeah, May 26th, Gemini baby. And I know you might be wondering why I take so long to do a social media countdown. Well, I was actually in America for a little, comedy show in Philadelphia. It went well. And then I went to New York and Connecticut and some different little places and meet with little people and them little something there. Alright, so let's get into the countdown. Number 10, Barbara is back. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. If me love the Omania vibes one more time, Makala Kartel. Wait, what? Well, some of y'all might remember her from this vid.
Straight nose, dreamy eye, and kissable lips. Have a unique body.
Yeah, body.
With a side microwave.
But no, she is back, courtesy of Pampute. Take a look.
Cash back man Dio.
No man, Barbara, you put on weight.
Buy, live and me get born with it. I buy going to school and play come from school. I buy crossroad and play a veteran. When I turn my car me. Right now, I'm stop looking at the blues. See me, I'm see the clown.
Not to blood clap, Barry. I'm going to give you money make you buy back something.
God bless you and keep you, Jesus.
I don't know why I get to woman I forgo answer anytime somebody bless them with something. I fling up them clothes and all them something there.
I give you something that I walk. I know you tell. May God leave me with me, give you something outside.
Alright, Barbara, no more cash pot for you. And in other news,
Barbara from jungle, yeah. Slim girl, I better you can do this. Snuffy girl, I better you can do. If I put you, whoa. Yeah, Barbara, have it like.
if Barbara cartilage them talented one more time. Just one more time. Number 9, bring it to the owner. No, so next adapts, I want to make it come run out. Ishawna equal rights out of business, so. Okay, people, so recently dancehall star Dexter Daps released the visuals for his single, Bring It to the Owner, and let's just say, the world stopped. Just pre the nakedity of the video.
Bring it to the owner, no.
The sensuality.
Wine.
And the monacity of the audio. I swear, just listening to it might just get your ears pregnant. Watching it, people are sort of, well, we're kind of wondering if Dexter and the girl did actually doko. I don't know, Rasta. Well, comment down below, burritos, and let me hear what you think. And now check out the random video of the week. Number 8, oh no, George Nooks. Me pull a breadfoot, so the other day in the middle of the night, I was just there minding my own business when I woke up an article that stated that George Nooks, singer George Nooks, was arrested for cocaine possession. Same time I say,
When you have trouble, don't cry.
Cause the last time I checked, George Nooks did a sing say, boy, I love the song that like a weed love grabber. So what had happened was the police did do some search up in a little uptown area when them, them stop film car, and when them stop film car, them book him up with this brown bag where contain cocaine. Boy, George, me know. Oh, did y'all realize that play on words? Anyway, George, me know say, it kind of rough. Me just hope say you don't stress out yourself too much because you just need to remember that. Number 7, rainy rain. Me say, what day ya a piece of rain just capture Jamaica? 1 minute the place nice and cool and just lovely. And then the next box foot minute, the place just end up done like Noah's Ark. As Fat Skull would have said, no sir! Pitney did have to rough it for go do them CXCs. Grandfather alla sweep.
Tell us you cannot sweep for the water, you have to make it run off by itself.
Family alla signal the plane. And then people, I do not know what to say. I'm sure you've heard of the bus can swim.
Bus can swim.
The bus can swim.
Bus can swim.
Believe it or not.
The bus can swim.
Well, the fridge can too. Number 6, Spice's surprise. So dancehall artist Spice, they are firing now. I go on with a crocus bag of things. You know, a show off our
Bubitana clap it on the beat, me just a map it over the guitar, sabitana.
body when out of nowhere some thirsty man go up on stage for a dance with her and did this. Me rasta mama roast yam dress a juice. No, so man, the brother take out him chululu on the stage behind the artist. That is legit a visual representation of being stabbed behind the back. Nah, like after this spice, we need to change your name to barbecue.
What is story the ants and the elephant? Look at it. Tell him your grudges. Who says size matters? Look at that.
Number 5, directions. Box cover. People, I just love my Jamaican people. I love our culture. I love our food. I love our language. But most of all, just like Madeline, what I love is when Jamaican people try to give directions.
May I look for St. Elizabeth, sir? May I look for St. Elizabeth, sir?
On a serious note still, anytime I see a Jamaica put them on here and start to scratch them in, them don't know nothing.
Santa?
Yeah.
Santa?
Yeah. We're on the right road to Santa. Eh?
Yeah,
And you have to turn back.
You have to turn back, you have to go straight.
Go where part? Straight.
Yeah, I want to turn and grow. And next when you reach, when you grow again, I grow, you can grow. And you see Santa.
Big up yourself, y'all little youth. Number 4, car thief. People, honestly, I don't even plan to spend not too long on the story here because it sort of kind of upset me. Basically, this brother go and got thief on woman car, then a shot cross the highway with the woman car, you know, a speed and a dilly-dally from the police, only for the car go crash right up in a one big old FD truck.
We are waiting for the removal of the vehicle and the body so we can kill him here.
All me there look at me here, you know. Plus see a bloof, you know. Bloof. And see truck up in the ear, I go up on the side and see the car.
Needless to say, he passed away right there upon spot. Yep, and let this be a lesson. Can we move on? Number 3, no more Facebook. Me bola breadfoot. So this little girl got reprimanded, or should I say exposed, when our mother catch her up on Facebook and talk up the things them to some adults, boys. Take one little look.
How old are you? Talk loud, but the camera can't hear. At 11-year-old, what are you supposed to be doing? Talk loud. Studying your book. And what are you on Facebook doing now?
Oh no, me not like, oh Jesus, people, the mother going. If I did my mother, if I did female mother, she get, the whole her epidermis get beat off. Right there and there.
Primary you go. And you're 11 years old. You're not ready for no man yet. So you're not supposed to be on Facebook and chat to no man who older than you. You understand me? So
let this be a warning, kids. Just please be careful. Do not be online and talk up and post up nobody nudity and them because something there. It is not phone time yet. Keep on yourself as kids. Okay? And now check out the hot shots of the week. Number 2, Shibi versus Keiva. Migungu. So Shibi, aka Shebada, have one little thing on Facebook that he are calls Happy Corner. So on one particular session, he hard decided to go and, watch one Movado video, with Nicki Minaj called Give It To Me. Where him book up Keiva in another video and decides say he need to comment on her attire.
A Keiva that? Keiva store still a go on? I would just Keiva. I will put her in one green tights or one leopard bath suit.
Me turtleneck, but Keiva was not going to take this kindly because right after that, she had took to her Instagram and expressed how disgusted she was with Shebada's comments.
A Keiva that?
And as expected, the following day,
me and you did that to me the same boat, Keiva. I always look up to you as a big sister because I always say me and your favor. Me no know how we drop out of our mama.
And then, after everything they kind of quell and calm down, Keiva dropped one video that responded to every single allegation where Shebada they make about her.
Fish, you don't know nothing about me. Because today, I don't come to tell a lie. I come to talk facts.
How would you Keiva?
They move on to say me look like a cokehead.
Give a feel a return cokehead.
My sister never touch a bad mind in here, you know. If you continue to get a problem and trouble people when they trouble you, you get what comes.
And right about now, I think it's time for the drama here just done. It expires. It's 2 days late. And now it's time for the big up segment. So first up, I have to big up Jamaican Jasmine Stewart on winning the MasterChef Junior competition. Woo! And yes, I have to go and big up dancehall artist Spice on her appearance on Love and Backsfoot Hip Hop. Is it Atlanta? Take a look at the little clip.
Welcome to Jamaica!
And number 1 goes to Ishawna versus everybody. Manala people, since Ishawna jumped back on the scene, it's like everybody just put Shensi up on backbench. So weeks ago, she dropped the controversial single called Equal Rights.
I just got started.
And since then, selectors them did undecided whether or not some for plate and the rest of them no for plate.
Stop big head! Cause the girl never big back head!
And then after that, Mr. Lincoln Tree, that the man, the self-proclaimed every gal man, decides say him go and suggest say him and Ishawna the dugu when it turned out say it might not have been quite so, and Ishawna decided to go and post the receipts online. And during all of this,
Everybody who don't like it, come turn it off now.
then Mr. Hammer,
Can't touch this.
not that one, me talking Mr. Cross, Hangry, Miserable, Mr. Bounty Killer, come out and go talk say, yo, Ishawna cannot her come on no show and her sing about no equal rights while he her on the line hop.
Me hear a girl up on TV and said 96% of all women in Jamaica go 69. Any man wanna put up him on the 96? Me give on the floor.
Yes, sir. Bounty Killer a dancehall legislator. But guess what? Ishawna never care because she hard took to that entire stage show and sing equal rights right within the dead of the audience. More importantly though, right about now, I just wonder what I want for Pepsi. Why Ishawna not get the Pepsi contract all now? Because when Christopher Martin didn't sing Big Deal, so KFC approached him right after that, so I'm looking for it. Ishawna's face is going to be on a Pepsi bottle soon and very soon. You heard it here first. Well, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dutty Berry social media top 10 countdown. It is my birthday. But outside of that though, make sure that you like. Please like. And also, may I try to reach 100,000 on Instagram, so make sure that you go on my Instagram page at TheDuttyBerryShow, right here so, and follow me. Also, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe right now. Click it down here so people. If you want to email me, book me MC and all of these things, voiceover, all of them like excitement there, you can send me an email, DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com right here. So, alright people, take care until next time.